Does your hair feel dull and lifeless? This DIY remedy is affordable and a breeze with just 2 simple ingredients. Grab 2 tablespoons of Alps Goodness indigo powder and blend it with 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Indigo powder boosts hair growth and controls dandruff, while yogurt moisturizes naturally. Apply to your roots for 20 minutes and then rinse off for luscious, voluminous hair. Noticing pesky dandruff flakes on your shoulders? Create this simple yet effective dandruff-fighting hair mask using 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon neem powder and apply this weekly. Neem's antibacterial and antifungal properties reduce dandruff while aloe vera strengthens and nourishes your hair. This powerful combination fights dandruff and moisturizes the scalp. Tired of frizzy hair that resembles a bird's nest? Conquer frizz and dryness with this powerful duo. Combine 1 cup of oats with 3 tablespoons of honey. Apply from mid-length to the ends, unwind for 30 minutes and let the oats strengthen your hair against breakage while honey imparts smoothness and shine. Seeking a natural remedy for dull hair and pesky grey roots? This mask is your secret weapon. Mix 2 tablespoons cocoa powder with 1 tablespoon coconut milk. Apply generously from scalp to ends, leaving it on for 20 minutes and then rinse off. The cocoa powder helps to slightly cover greys and adds a gorgeous shine. Meanwhile, the coconut milk nourishes your strands with essential proteins, breathing life into damaged hair. Are split ends driving you bananas? We have the perfect solution. Introducing the ultimate mask for split ends, enriched with the goodness of bananas and papayas. Allow the banana to work its magic by sealing those split ends and promoting healthy hair growth, while the papaya injects a dose of vitamins and antioxidants, leaving your locks looking sleek, strong, and split-end free. Watch more of our hair care videos here and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.